The subject of this video is Teams chat versus channel posts. So chats are generally ad hoc one-on-one meetings or one with a group, maybe 5 people. Chats are ad hoc. You can capture the text, the video, you can capture the recording, which gets saved to your OneDrive. Channel posts are more about data, files, information related to a team. So you would have conversations in the channel when it's related to a particular team you're working with, and it's got to be shared amongst the team. The knowledge must be captured for the team, the particular task or profession or job or project. So you can use either. Both give you access to video conferencing. Both allow you to record. Both allow you to capture text and documents. I would use chats for ad hoc, and I would use channel posts for team-related projects or discussions. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.